Welcome to ZeroThreat. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to integrate your issue tracking system with ZeroThreat using Jira. Before getting started, make sure your target is verified on the ZeroThreat and that you have a basic understanding of Jira and sprints. Start by navigating to the Target section and clicking on the Continuous Integration button. This will open the configuration drawer for issue tracking. To connect Jira, click the Authorize button next to the Jira option. A new tab will open. Just click Accept to complete the authorization. Once successful, you'll be redirected back to your ZeroThreat dashboard. Now go to the Scan section and open any scan report. At the top, you'll see a Jira task button. Click it, and a Jira integration pop-up will appear. Here, select your Jira instance, then choose the project, board, and sprint where you want the issues to be created. All tickets will be added directly into that selected sprint. Next, choose the vulnerability you want to create a Jira ticket for and click Create Issue. ZeroThreat will automatically generate individual tickets for each finding under that vulnerability. To view the tickets, go to Created Issues. Click on any issue, and it will open in Jira. From there, you can assign the issue to team members, update the status, and manage it like any other task in your workflow. Inside the Jira ticket, you'll find all the relevant details pulled from ZeroThreat. This includes request and response headers, evidence, and a complete description of the vulnerability. You can also leave comments directly within the Jira issue, and they'll appear in ZeroThreat as well. Comments are bidirectionally synced, so updates made in either system stay in sync. To view the current status of all synced tickets, go back to ZeroThreat, open the Jira task panel again, and select the same sprint. You'll be able to see details like priority, assignee, and status, just like you would in Jira. This integration helps in project management by keeping security and development teams on the same page, making it easier to track, assign, and resolve issues efficiently.